Question 1. What is the solution to the given equation? So 3k plus 2k is 5k, which is 5. So k will be 1. Option B. What is the graph of the equation y is equal to 3 to the power x? So this would pass through 0, 1 because 3 to the power 0 is 1. So this is possible. This is not possible. This is not possible. And this is not possible. So the only graph that passes through 0, 1 is option A. For the quadratic function f, the table shows some values of x and their corresponding values of fx. Which of the following could be the graph of y is equal to fx? So we see that the x-intercepts are -1 and 1 because the function becomes 0 and the y-intercept is -4. So in this case, the x-intercepts are -1 and 1 and the y-intercept is -4. So this is my answer. Here there are no x-intercepts, so this can't be the answer. Here the y-intercept is +4, so this can't be the answer. And here again, there are no x-intercepts. In the given quadratic function f, c is a constant and f2 is 12. What is the value of c? So f2 is 12. So 3 times 2 squared plus 4 times 2 minus c is 12. 2 squared 4 into 3, 12 plus 8 minus c is 12. 12 and 12 cancel, so c is 8. A person used a total of 265 kilocalories while walking and running on a treadmill. Running at a constant rate required 11.5 kilocalories per minute, and walking at a constant rate required 3.5 kilocalories per minute. The relationship between the number of minutes running x and the number of minutes walking y is given by the equation above. If this person ran for 20 minutes, how many minutes did this person walk? So x is 20, right? And we need to find y. How many minutes did the person walk? So 11.5 into 20 plus 3.5y is 265. So this would be 23. 11.5 into 20. 230 plus 3.5y is 265. So 3.5y is 35. So y is 10. Option D. Which of the following is equivalent to the given expression? 6 by x divided by 18. So 6 cancels into 18 with 3. So 1 by x divided by 3, which is 1 by 3x. In the figure shown, C is the center of the circle and AB is tangent to the circle at A. Which of the following is true about the measure of angle BAC? So the tangent and the radius at the point of tangency, they intersect at 90 degrees. So angle BAC would be 90 degrees, C. The graph of the function f is shown. What is the value of x when fx is 0? So fx is 0 here. So the value of x is 3. The equation shown gives A in terms of P, R, and T, where P and R are not equal to 0. Which equation gives T in terms of A, P, and R? So A is P times RT plus 1, which is PRT plus P. So A minus P is PRT. So T is A minus P by PR. So that's A by PR minus 1 by R. A by PR minus 1 by R, option C. What is the volume in cubic units of the right triangular prism shown? So the volume would be the area of the base multiplied by the height. And we are going to take the solid that's rising straight upward. So this would be the base then, and this would be the height. So area of the base would be half into 6 into 6, because that's a right triangle. So that's 18. So then that's 18 times 10, so 180. A hotel has a total of 180 rooms, and on a certain day, half the rooms were cleaned. There were 9 housekeepers on duty at the hotel that day, and each housekeeper cleaned the same number of rooms, R. Which of the following equations represents the information given in terms of R? So there were 180 rooms and only half were cleaned. So 180 by 2, and that should be 9 times R, because there were 9 housekeepers and each cleaned R rooms. So 9R is 180 by 2. So I can say 2 times 9R is 180, option A. A patio is to be made using square paving stones that are all the same size. There will be no gaps between the paving stones and they will not overlap. The line in the XY plane above represents the relationship between the area Y in square feet of the patio and the number of paving stones X used to make the patio. The top surface of each paving stone is a square with side length K feet. What is the value of K? So if this is my patio and these are the stones, right? And if for Y square feet of the patio, I need X paving stones. And if the side length of each paving stone is K, then the area of one paving stone is K square. So I can say that Y is X times K square, right? Because the area of one paving stone in K square. So for X paving stones, it will be X K square, and that will be the area of the patio. So we can see that 2, 8, 4, 16, 6, 24, these lie on the line. So let's work with 2, 8. So 8 is 2 times K square. So K square is 4 or K is 2. So the side length of each little paving stone will be 2 feet. Line L is shown in the XY plane above. What is the equation of line L? Okay, so the y-intercept is 2 and the x-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then x by 5 plus y by 2 should be 1. So 2x plus 5y should be 10. So 2x plus 5y is 10, option D. In the system of equations above, n is a constant. If the system has no solution, what is the value of n? So when I have a system a1x plus b1y is c1 and a2x plus b2y is c2, then for no solution, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2, and that should not be equal to c1 by c2. So n by 12 should be equal to 3 by minus 6, and that should not be equal to 1 by 0. So this we don't need to consider. We'll just work with these two. So then I get minus 6n is 36. So n would be negative 6. Which of the following is equivalent to square root of 16a to the power 16? So this is square root of 16 into square root of a to the power 16. So 4 times a to the power 16 to the power 1 by 2. So 4 times a to the power 8. So that's B. The graph of y is equal to 3 by 5 x minus 8 in the xy plane is a line. What is the slope of this line? So this is given in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So the slope is 3 by 5. The solution to the given system of equations is x comma y. What is the value of x? Okay, so let's multiply this by 3 and this by 2 to get rid of y. So 9x plus 6y is 24 and 8x minus 6y is 10, right? So this is 9x. Okay, so when I add them, I get 17x is 34. So x is 2. In right triangle XYZ, sine x is cos 20. What is the measure of angle x? So let's say this is x, y, z. So sine of x will be cos of z, right? Because x and z are complementary angles. So sine theta will be cos 90 minus theta. So x plus z would be 90 degrees. So x plus 20 is 90. So x is 70. What is the sum of the solutions to the given equation? Modulus x minus 2 is 3. So x minus 2 is plus minus 3. So x is 2 plus minus 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 2 minus 3 minus 1. So the sum is 5 minus 1, 4. In the given equation, b is a positive constant. The sum of the solutions of this equation is 5. What is the value of b? So x squared times x plus 3 times x minus b is 0. So x can be 0, 0, negative 3 and b, right? Because these are the x-intercepts. So 0 plus minus 3 plus b, that is 5. So b will be 8. Okay, let's grade this. Question 1. B triple A D, B A A A D. Number 6, B C D C C, B C D C C. 11, A B D B B, A B D B B. Okay. 16, 3 by 5, 270. 3 by 5, 270. 19, 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Okay, great. So we got all correct.